Hey y'all, I know it's been a long time. I look a hot mess, but I'm finna get ready and I wanted to do a couple of videos because I haven't done them in like at least 3 months. I got a new page because I wanted to start off the year like just different, and my page is Our Page Forever because I wanted to share it with you guys from like how I get ready or do my hair or what book am I reading and just different stuff like that. So I hope y'all tune in to more of my videos this year. And I noticed like y'all looked at more of the perm videos and getting organized and makeup tutorials. So I hope to be doing more of that or to help you like with certain new products that I've done from the past 3 months, and y'all see how my hair is and stuff in the next videos that I'm gonna put up. But I hope that y'all will, at least getting something off of the page and I can help y'all in, any way that I can do. But I'm finna get dressed and show y'all a little bit of the stuff that I've gotten and that I'm now using. So I guess I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye.